Oh God, not again. Agent E just shared this. Seriously here in white and Zander Bird. And whoever Zander Bird tagged, you know. Actually, all this information that he has just shared is just completely incorrect, misinformation and misleading. And if we haven't seen enough of them complaining about it like little children, another reason why I will diss them on actor age. Oh yeah, and by the way, Zander Bird, Hasbro Studios and Hasbro Studios can make some money off and their income off other content that is not My Little Pony. Look it up. And by the way, oh yeah, contracts. Ever heard of a contract? That's why people, of course, there's a contract. How long we're going to do a certain project, how long it's going to run, and also there's a contract for the actors and actresses, their work time, so they're going to like, and they're stop working at this on this project, or like their voice acting or actual acting. And if you, for example, you know how some people want to Marvel comics universe, the MCU, you know how some people like Chris Evans and Robert Downey Jr. they don't appear in movies anymore, while some people like Elizabeth Olsen, Anthony Mackie, Sebastian Stan, Jeremy Renner, and Chris Hemsworth, they are still acting like that because they're still under the contract to work as to do the role of these the superheroes in you know, the Avengers, you know, and also with the My Little Pony. Of course, it was time for Tara Strong, Edward Libman, Ashley Ball, and then whoever voices Rarity, forget her name. I think her name's Tabitha, or I don't know. And then there's a whole bunch of other people left. Their contract was done, so their time is up. So that's how, yeah, it all goes up to that. Oh yeah, same with the My Little Pony Equestria Girls. Their time with, Rebecca Shawshin, yeah, her time was up too. This happens for every single TV show and movie series ever that existed since the 1900s to now. And even the stuff on the Disney Plus, Netflix specials, yeah. Hulu shows or Amazon Prime, those shows, yeah, they are all under, yeah. Every single actor and actresses who do the acting or voice acting, they are under a contract. Even the staff, they are under a contract. if they violate a contract, of course, that's also another reason why they don't show up. And of course, everything has to come to an end sometime down the line. Because otherwise people would be uninterested. And for example, The Simpsons going on for too long, which some people have been complaining. Let's take that for example. Yeah. And also corny remakes of series that should have been just been dead, but they just keep making remakes of movies again. So maybe you could also consider that as an example of why something should come to an end. And again, by the way, if the FBI and CIA see the kind of comments that you are like sharing, oh yeah, and even should I remind you again, the local police can see what you are sharing. If you make threats to somebody. So stop acting like a little child, Zander Bird, or I will diss you again on After Age, which I'm dropping this weekend. Because, yeah. So you're 20 years old, huh? So shouldn't you be acting more mature and instead of looking like a freaking clown who's trying to imitate the Pope? Wow, your mother should be is so proud of you right now for making threats to a big corporation, which can also since you're technically an adult now, yeah, any bad behavior you do can backfire on you, and you can get arrested for that, or charged, or maybe a mix of both. I mean, yeah, I am of age, I'm more mature, I know what I'm talking about, and I make sure I do not do anything illegal, or something that might get in trouble with the authorities. And so should you. And by the way, yeah, should I remind you again, not that I know what your exact behavior, what you kind of post you make, I also have your official photo given to me by one of my allies, so yeah. So, and by the way, you can't just like say fuck you at me, because yeah, I will reveal to the world who you really are, and they deserve to know the real you. Cause yeah, I hate two-faced people like you. You act innocent and start with like friends and family, and then you act like a complete asshole. So here's yeah. This which is I'm actually I'm actually recording off my phone screen, so I have it saved, and it's going to go on the internet in a few minutes. So yeah. And yeah, don't bother making a comment that says screw the law, or stop harassing me and Harrison White. Because you two are just little kids. At your age.